Hello, is this 911?
Yes, ma'am, 911. How can I save your day and ruin someone else's?
My neighbor is being loud again.
Okay, I'm sending some police officers and some earplugs, too. Grandma, I'm your son, right?
Yes, my little one.
So, after you go to heaven, the property will be mine, right?
Oh, you naughty thing.
Nurse, check my heart.
Your heart? What happened?
It goes boom, boom when I see you.
Boom boom?
Yes. Oh, you fix it.
Oh my